Here from the Everything Saxophone podcast. We're live at NAMM. I'm at the Reed Geek booth. Here we are. I finally got Mauro free for like 5 seconds because he's been swamped. But if you don't know Mauro, if you don't know the Reed Geek product, well, you will in a couple of minutes. But you'll also learn about his other product, the Klangbogen, which I was an early user of that. I have the early model. We were just talking about how things have changed a little bit since then. But hey, Mauro, how you doing?
Good, Donna. How are you doing?
I'm exhausted. This is the fourth day of NAMM. I'm punch drunk right now, and I don't even drink.
Bob Shepard just bought me a cup of coffee.
Got to keep it going.
Yeah.
Got to definitely keep it going. So talk to us a little bit about Reed Geek, just a little bit of history there and what it, the different models of Reed Geek, all that kind of stuff.
Okay, yeah, we'll walk. Basically, Reed Geek was my baby and my love to make all-in-one reed adjusting tools. So players are always having trouble with their reeds. They're, as you know, 2-3 reeds out of a box. And reeds aren't consistent from box to box. Everyone's mouthpieces are different, their horns are different, so you really need to start to learn how you can profile and shape the reed so it works well for you. And this is something that's never been taught really in our industry. So I wanted to try to make a tool. Here's one of our black diamonds that you're able to flatten the back, you're able to profile your reed in other areas, and it's not a big procedure in production. Because a lot of people, they don't want to be sharpening knives and trying to work and stones, and they just want something they can help their system real quick. So really, with the Reed Geek, we have several different models now. The hallmark is how flat, how finely and precisely machined our alloys are and how we develop the edge, but you can actually come in here and completely flatten a reed. This is an E-flat clarinet. And then with all our different tips, you can, like a pencil eraser, I can get in here and erase away, I can work back my spine, I can treat it like I would any sort of planer or knife. So they're very, very effective. And once you've hit your reed with a Reed Geek and put it on your mouthpiece, things just start really happening because things are not leaking, the efficiency is getting through your horn, and you become more relaxed. So that's the whole premise of Reed Geek. And I do a lot of mods for different pros and players, and I'm here just really teaching players how they can maximize their reed function.
And it's not only cane reeds, it's also synthetic reeds too. And that's the black diamond is the one that.
Yeah, the black diamond here, we just developed, this is a ceramic base coat, it's a universal special, but mostly all our Reed Geeks now will work on the Leger reeds, and these are very, very hard to adjust. And as well as, if I can find it here, the new Ambi Poly polymer, and these are really cool reeds. Silverstein has come out with, and again, they recommend only the Reed Geek to make these adjustments on their reeds.
Oh, how interesting.
Yeah. So a lot of players, they like the synthetic reeds, but again, they wish they could make small adjustments, so the Reed Geeks will allow you to do that.
And since we're at NAMM, let's focus on your other product, which I'm standing right in front of.
Is the Klangbogens, which basically means sound bow. And what we're doing in a nutshell is, in the saxophone, we have a cone, a conical tube that is formed. And what happened, right at the neck region, we broke this conical tube. The original Adolph saxes largely were one whole piece draws, so the energy didn't get broken up. So with the mouthpiece, if I come over here, this acts as like a tone generator. The reed actually acts almost like a head gasket as well as a butterfly valve to explode this chamber's energy, and then the neck amplifies the wave. So once the wave gets amplified, it takes the turn and it hits right where we broke the segment. And we put two straight sections, and sometimes the tendons don't fit that well together and so forth, so the wave gets disruptive. So what we're doing is we're helping to support the tube. We're actually gaining some more stability there. There's some mass effect, but a lot of it is how you're keeping the wave intact and keeping the tube to vibrate smoother, and then whatever energy that this thing is gathering, the sound bow, it's actually releasing and utilizing that energy, instead of the energy just kind of being lost about you. So it's one of those things that once you try it, players are amazed once you start stabilizing that area of the horn. Sometimes on some of the internet blogs it's kind of controversial, but if you talk to anybody in any other industries of kind of fluid or flow dynamics, it's it's kind of like, sure, of course that's going to help. And again, with some of the heavy mass screws, they're finding that, hey, if we add a little bit of mass, so a little bit of stability, and so this thing isn't shaking, almost like an engine mount in a car. So if your engine's mounts are broken, your engine is shaking, things are very rough driving and you're losing energy. So that's kind of what the mass effect does, is you're kind of stabilizing it with that heavy mass screw.
Awesome. So, Mauro, where can people find you? It's pretty obvious, but where can people find you online?
ReedGeek.com. We actually now have the Reed Geek at Reed Geek Instagram page going, as well as Reed Geek Facebook. So everything is all Reed Geek, hashtag Reed Geek.
And also, don't you have YouTube videos to show people how to adjust reeds?
Yes, and of course the YouTube channel. We're doing more and more videos online on our website. We have the videos as well as Reed Geek Tool YouTube station.
Awesome. Hey, Mauro, thanks so much for taking the time.
Thank you, Donna.